trail. When somebody loves you, it's no good unless they love you all the way. Happy to be near you when you need someone to cheer you all the way. Who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool can say. But if you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you all the way. All the way. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can tell, falling in love with you. But I can tell, falling in love with you. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on now. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. Celebrate good times, come on. It's a celebration. Yeah.
Hey! Hey you! Look up here! Jingle Bell time is here! Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chimes and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go sliding in a one-horse sleigh. Oh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle in a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. What? Haven't you ever heard a duck sing? Merry Christmas! I go out on Halloween night. I'm off to have fun. Gonna give you a fright. But have no fear, you know I won't hurt no one. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. They just wanna, they just wanna. They just wanna, they just wanna. Girls, girls just wanna have fun. They just wanna.
When right in the middle of a good dream, you suddenly scream and wake up from something that's been clawing at your brain and driving you insane. Hold your pillow to your head and spring up in your bed. When I scream these words you dread, I think I scare you. He's gonna scare you. I think I scare you. But what are you so afraid of? You're afraid of what you don't know. Cause you don't know, then I'll get you. I think I scare you. Isn't that what Halloween's made for? I might be underneath your bed. I'm the boogeyman you dread. I might be
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Well, it's been building up inside of me for, oh, I don't know how long. I don't know why, but I keep thinking something's bound to go wrong. But he looks in my eyes and makes me realize that he says, don't worry, baby, everything will turn out alright. Don't worry, baby, everything will turn out alright. Don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby. You have to believe we are magic. Nothing can stand in our way. You have to believe we are magic. Don't let your aim ever stray. And if all your hopes survive, your destiny will arrive. Bring all your dreams alive for you. I'll bring all your dreams alive for you. I got chills, still multiplying, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the power you're supplying is electrifying. Better shape up, 'cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better shape up. You better understand. To my heart I must be true. Nothing left for me to do. You're the one that I want. Oh baby, ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Oh baby, ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Oh baby, ooh, 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 the one I need. Oh yes indeed.
Oh my gosh, you're home! You're home! I'm so excited you're home. This is my favorite part of the day, when you get home. I waited forever for you. How was your day? Did you miss me? I missed you so much. Do you need a hug? I need a hug. Please, please, please. hug me. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. And I think you're the greatest in the world. Oh, gosh, I love you. What did you do today? Did you have fun? You're home. It's dinner time. I'm so hungry. My tummy's growling. Dinner's my favorite. I was a good dog today, too. Can I have a treat? I can sit or shake or lay down, roll over, whatever. I have so much to tell you about my day. Walking's my favorite. And then we can snuggle up together. I love snuggle time. Snuggling with you is my favorite. I love you. I'm so glad you're home. It's your birthday! It's your birthday! I'm so excited it's your birthday! Birthdays are my favorite! Let's open some presents. Oh, look, I drew off the ribbons for you. Do you need help with the paper? I can tear off the paper too! Oh, please, please, please open your presents. I love presents. I think presents are the greatest thing in the world. Happy birthday! Oh, happy birthday! I smell cake! Oh, I was a good boy today. Can I have some cake? I love cake. It's my favorite. I hope it's not chocolate, though, because I'm not supposed to eat chocolate. Hey, come on, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Time to blow out the candles. Oh, candles are so pretty. I love candles, but they make these little spots in my eyes. It's weird. You get that? Do you want to make a wish? I made a wish. I wished for more cake and presents and ribbons. Oh, time for cake. I'm so excited it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, my name is Barney. I love Easter. Oh boy, I like heading for Easter eggs. Hey, you want to have some fun? Let's find some Easter eggs. Hey, look, there's someone over there, and there's another one, and there's another. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. We got Easter eggs to find. Oh, chocolate bunny and chocolate eggs. Chocolate. Whoa, what do you mean dogs can't have chocolate? I'm not a dog. See my ears? I'm a bunny. Oh, how I love Easter. Hi, my name is Barney. I love Christmas time. Santa's coming. I wonder if he'll take me for a ride in his sleigh. Boy, oh boy. I've been a good dog this year. Oh, except for that time when I ate your slippers. Hey, look. Do I see presents under the tree? Hey. You want to have some fun? It's so hard to wait for Christmas. Let's open some Christmas presents. Something smells really good. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Hey, wait a minute. Do I smell Christmas dinner cooking? I'm so hungry. Turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, pumpkin pie, Christmas cookies. Oh, I love Christmas.